the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Kenya, Honorable Justice Martha Koome, the Registrar of the Supreme Court, Honorable Anna Madi, the Chairman, National Police Service Commission, Mr. Eliud Kinuthia, the National Police Service Commissioners present, the Acting IG, Mr. Nur Gabo, the DIG KPS, Mr. Edward Mbugua, members of the Fourth Estate, all protocol observed, ladies and gentlemen. I want to take this opportunity to foremost thank the Almighty God for this very, very special day and giving me the opportunity to be appointed as the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. You may wish to note, ladies and gentlemen, that until my last appointment at the Directorate of Internal Affairs Unit of the National Police Service, I've spent most of the years in the Directorate, that is the DCI, and I'm glad to say that I'm now back home. Similarly, I want to thank His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, for this appointment and the trust he has bestowed upon me to lead the Directorate. This is a new chapter for the DCI, and I want to promise the President and the people of Kenya that we shall not let you down. I want to thank you, Honorable Chief Justice, for presiding over this important ceremony, which now allows me to assume my office and work for our people and our country. I'm ready for the task and ready to lead the DCI to deal with the challenges of our time. My gratitude also goes to the National Police Service Commission, led by the Chairman, for the open and transparent manner in which our interviews were conducted for the position of the DCI. Indeed, it was competitive, and I would like to congratulate my worthy colleagues who also attended the interview, and together I want to extend and embrace so that we work together jointly as one unit. On the same note, I would like to thank my family, friends and colleagues of goodwill who stood by me, encouraged me during the selection process. Indeed, their prayers have been answered, and I really appreciate their moral support. Honorable Chief Justice and fellow Kenyans, I want to state from the outset that I will endeavor to lead the DCI in the most professional manner and adhere to the supreme law of the land, the Constitution of Kenya. We shall also endeavor to respect human rights while being firm and fair as we stick to the mandate given to the Directorate. I want to urge all Kenyans and foreigners living within our borders to obey the Kenyan laws, and we should not have ill reason whatsoever to come for you. We shall try as much as possible to work together in harmony, in the spirit of collaboration with other security agencies, such as the EAC, KPS, APS, the NIS, and other actors of the criminal justice system, including the ODPP, the judiciary, and the correctional services, amongst others, for purposes of serving the people of Kenya expeditiously and without any prejudice. We shall tackle the contemporary challenges that we face as a country, that include terrorism, narcotics, human trafficking, cybercrime, corruption, and money laundering to the extent that our mandate allows. Honorable Chief Justice, I look forward for more interaction as we serve the people of this great Republic of Kenya. That is my short speech, and the silent point is I promise the Kenyan people that as the DCI, I'm going to discharge my duties and responsibilities professionally with utmost integrity and with utmost respect. As a service, we shall make sure that we adhere to our constitutional standards and fundamental freedoms. We shall ensure and endeavor to make sure that Kenya will be a safe and a secure country for all the people that live therein. We shall conduct our investigations professionally, expeditiously, and see to it that we bring our members of the public on board and see how we can bridge the gap and inspire confidence in the office of the DCI and my officers. With those few remarks, thank you very much. I promise Kenyans that we shall deliver on the mandate bestowed on me by His Excellency the President. I will always be available, and for purposes of records, I would like to declare Honorable CJ my number, which is 0722-415-419, so that any member of the public, any other person who feels like reaching out to me can easily reach out to me. I will work hand in hand with all our strategic partners to ensure that we deliver on the mandate of the Directorate. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ibrahim, for those remarks. At this juncture, I must welcome the acting